Page 28, Hop Scotch. Here they're mixing it up again. The music is starting to look a little more complicated, because now the rests are alternating between the hands. Okay, and again, this is where it's important. It's always important, but this will show more if you're not holding these notes down a full count, and if you're not resting a full count, it comes across. So I'm going to go through my routine here. This is 4 measures long, treble and bass clef, 4/4 time signature. I see quarter notes, quarter rests, and whole notes. Let's look at this one hand at a time first. Right hand, you're starting second finger here. Now put your hand here, and it's rest 2. So you're resting on beat 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. See, when I say the number for the next beat, I come up 1, 2, or it's 2, 3. I don't know what the numbers are, but the point is, hold the quarter note down a full count and make sure you're resting a full count. In the left hand, second finger is here. That means you're here, and it's 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Okay, then we put the hands together. Well, now we're going to play. This helps to show where one beat starts when another beat ends, or the beat 4, because this is beat 1, this is beat 2. 2 starts when, so it comes up at the same time. There's no silence between them. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 here, and then C and E together, and then that's the way we work that. Try and be accurate with these rests and things. Now, once you have an idea of how it goes, and there's no hesitations, now let's try this together very slowly and double check that you have the right rhythms and all. So I'll give us 4 counts. 1, 2, ready, go. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4, off.